Hello students, hope you all are doing well. We will be taking the next chapter, that is chapter 4, using computer do's and don'ts. We all know that we should be very careful while we are using a machine. Computer is also a machine. So we should be very careful and attentive while we are using the computer. There the do's and the don'ts in the computer that we will read in this chapter will make us aware of the rules that we should follow while using the computer. It will also help us to develop some good habits, and it will also help us to learn how to take care of the computer. So the first one, keeping it neat and clean. The computer should be washed and cleaned with the help of dry cloth. We should not use any moist or wet cloth to wash computer, so that there will be short circuit in the computer. To wipe off the dust and dirt from the computer, we should use neat and clean dry cloth. Food particles and drinks should not be brought near the computer, otherwise it will spill and computer will get damaged. We should keep the computer room clean. We should keep our dirty shoes away from the computer. We should not enter the computer room with dirty shoes, otherwise the dirt that are stuck in the shoes will also enter with our shoes to the computer. When the computer is not in use, we should always cover the parts of the computer. Using the computer gently. You will see there are wires that are there in the computer. Never to touch that wires. Never bang the computer or its pad. Never snatch the mouse or keyboard from your friends when you are using it in the computer lab. The keyboard, the mouse, everything should be handled carefully. So the keys of the keyboard, you will also not pull or push them. The keys should be pressed very gently. So computer mouse should be held properly, and the CDs and DVDs after watching we should keep in their respective folders, otherwise there will be dirt or scratch marks, then it will not work properly. After using the computer, we should switch on and off properly, so that there will be proper maintenance of computer. Maintaining correct posture. You can see here what is the correct posture of sitting in a computer. Neither we should lean too forward the computer monitor, or it should be too back. We should straight at the arm length distance from the computer, and the keyboard should be positioned front of us. While we are using computer in the computer lab, we should always share the computer with our friends and work together. We should wait for our turn in the computer lab, and we should not talk and disturb others when we are using the computer in the school lab. We should listen to the teacher. We should always raise our hands if you are having any doubt, and with our friends we should not fight or run in the computer lab. There are some computer lab rules that you should follow while you are using the computer in the computer lab. Enter and exit quietly. You should come in line, and you should also go back to your class in line. No food, drink or gum. We should not bring any sort of food or drink or gum near the computer. Don't spread germs. So wash your hands properly, cleanly before entering to the computer lab. After your work is finished, organize the place before leaving the place. Print. If you want to print any document, you should take your teacher's permission before printing the documents. Only visit approved site. Whatever your teacher asks you to visit, only that site you should visit. Sit with good posture. So about the postures we have learned, we should be sitting in that posture. Help by teaching, not doing. So if any friends ask you for any help, you should tell him or her how to do it, but you should not do it for him or her. Never give out personal information. If children, you are working in the internet, anyone asks for your personal information, don't give any personal information without your parents or teacher's permission. If you are using computer in public places, if you want to play music, so use your headphones and keep the volume, or you can keep the volume lower so that others does not get any sort of disturbance. So if using computer in public place, we should not play music loudly. We should use the headphone or lower the volume so that others do not get disturbed. So here are some do's and don'ts with the computer. Keep clean. Keep the computer and its near area clean. Cover the computer when not in use. Do not eat or drink near the computer. Be gentle. Do not pull parts away from the computer. Do not bang hard on the keyboard. Be safe. Do not pull any wires connected to the CPU. Ask the teacher every time you want to turn the computer on or off. If any wire has come out, ask the teachers to put it back. Do not put fingers in any slot. See children, be very careful while using the computer because it is an electronic machine, and the wires, if we will pull or push, then there are chances of getting electric shock also. Fill in the blanks you have to do in your classwork copy. We should be careful and attentive while using the computer. Remove your shoes before entering the computer room. The CDs and DVDs should be kept in a CD or DVD folder. Never copy someone else's files without permission. True and false, this is there in your book, page 41 and 43 you will do in your book. You can touch the connecting wires. False. You should handle the keyboard carefully. True. We should share a computer in the lab with our classmate. True. We can play with mouse wire. False. We should not share our computer with our classmates. False. We should not bend forward while working on the computer. True. We should cover the computer when not in use. True. Question answer also you have to write in your classwork copy. Write 2 ways to keep the computer room neat and clean. To keep the computer room neat and clean, we should not eat or drink near the computer. We should cover the computer when not in use. How to take care of the keyboard? To take care of the keyboard, the keys of the keyboard should be pressed gently. The keyboard should not be pushed or pulled too hard. Write 2 computer lab rules. The rules for computer lab are: we should not enter and exit the lab silently. We should not bring food or drink near the computer. Thank you for watching the video. Hope all of you enjoyed it.